This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Baker. Exceptional Townhome. Renovated Kit, 2013, includes stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinetry west/pullouts and sunglass fronts, Travertine splash and granite ctps, west/bar opening to FM room. 2 bdrms, each west/ensuite bths and good closet space compose the second level. Third level retreat welcomes you west/showers of light from 2 skylights, a LG palladium window unit and 2 dormer windows looking south. Walk-in closet and a lovely renovated bath complete the space. Attic access under the eaves and pull-down stairs provide storage. Fantastic and patio west/double car garage and additional parking are in the rear.